Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers. Today we're going to be utilizing PowerPoint Live to present a PowerPoint presentation in Teams. Let's get started. I'm in my meeting now, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to prepare my presentation for those that will be arriving. Since I do not see my presentation listed under PowerPoint Live, I'm going to go ahead and browse my OneDrive. I found the file. I'm going to go ahead and attach. And we see that PowerPoint is preparing the slides. Once the slides is open, participants will not be able to see the notes. They will only be able to see the PowerPoint slides. I also have several things that I can use. I can use the laser pointer. I can also use the highlighter and the eraser. Other options I can go to more actions and magnify all the slides, zoom in, zoom out. I can view the slides in high contrast. This makes it very nice for viewing. I can turn that off, go back to my first slide. I also have the ability to translate all the slides. I translate it to Spanish. The only thing you need to remember, if you have slides that have pictures such as this, you would want to use your alt tags to be able to identify the information that is on the slide. Let me change it back to English. All right. Another good feature is anything that I have open, like my email or any other things that I have open, participants are not able to see. So all my information is private. So this is a feature that any presenter would love to use. See exactly what the user sees. The attendees have the ability to navigate through the slides on their own. They can view slides in high contrast. They can magnify the slides. And they can translate the slides as well. They also have the ability to do emojis